up, Vechain holders? How do you hope you're fine now, friends? Once again, I'm present with the latest update of Vechain. So what's going on this time in the Vechain? What's the current price? What's the price and so on in the Vechain? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. So my friends, this is all urgent alert news for all Vechain holders. You can see here, first of all, we look the latest update of Vechain, and after that we discuss that what will be the next move of Vechain, my friends. So the latest price of the Vechain in this time in the market as 0.14 USD dollar. On the other side, if we look the price change in the Vechain, so the BTC price is 0.000371 USD dollar. BTC price of the Vechain. The market cap, the 24 hours trading volume, you can see here absolutely, and available supply, total supply, the all details you can see now on the screen, my friends. Anyways, on the other side, if we talk about the price change in the Vechain, so absolutely last 24 hour pricing is positive, last 24 hours pricing is positive, last 1 week pricing is positive. The whole changes is going positive this time in the Vechain, my friends, and I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change in the Vechain, my friends. I'm very happy. Let's see the price chart, my friends. What's going on in the price chart, my friends? The alert news is that maybe, my friends, maybe that's my prediction, in the next few hours there is chances to the price of the Vechain falls down, but you have to hold, my friends. You have to hold. If you hold, so the price will again pump, and if you sell, so you're in the loss. It's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. I know in a few hours fast down occurs, but fast down occurs, that's not mean you decide to sell. Hold it, my friends. Anyways, what's your opinion? What is your prediction about Vechain? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.